Picture this, a planet that looks like a perfect blue marble from space, the kind of blue that makes you think of Earth, of oceans, of home. But this planet will kill you in about 3 seconds, and it won't be from lack of oxygen, it'll be from the rain. This is HD 1897333b, and once you understand what's actually happening, on its surface, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Let's start with the basics. HD 1897333b sits about 64 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Vulpecula. That sounds far, but in cosmic terms, it's basically our next-door neighbor. It's one of the closest exoplanet we've ever directly studied. When astronomers first spotted its deep blue color, people got excited. Blue usually means water. Blue usually means oceans. Blue sometimes means life. They were wrong, dead wrong. That blue color doesn't come from water at all. It comes from silicate particles in the atmosphere, in plain English, glass. Tiny fragments of glass, suspended in the sky, scattering light the same way our atmosphere scatters blue light on Earth. Except this isn't gentle blue sky. This is an atmosphere actively raining shards of glass, and here's where it gets genuinely terrifying. This planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side faces permanent, blistering daylight while the other stays locked in darkness. The temperature difference between these two sides creates winds that scientists have clocked at roughly 5,400 miles per hour. That's about 9,000 kilometers per hour. For comparison, the fastest hurricane winds on Earth top out around 200 miles per hour. HD 1897333b's winds are more than 25 times faster than our worst storms. Now combine those two facts: glass rain, supersonic winds. That glass isn't falling straight down like rain on Earth. It's being blasted sideways horizontally at speeds faster than a rifle bullet. Scientists believe the temperature on this planet reaches around 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize most metals. So this isn't rain that lands and sits there. It's molten glass screaming sideways through a superheated sky. If you somehow stood on the surface and survived the heat, the pressure, and the toxic atmosphere long enough to experience the rain, that glass would shred through anything in its path. Here's the part that should really make you pause. This isn't science fiction. This isn't a concept planet or a theory. HD 1897333b is a confirmed, directly observed exoplanet. Astronomers used Hubble Space Telescope data to measure its color and confirm the silicate composition of its atmosphere. This is real data from a real world, orbiting a real star in our galactic backyard. Think about how many planets like this must exist that we haven't found yet. Worlds with weather patterns so violent they defy anything nature has ever produced on Earth. Storms that don't just knock down trees, but could theoretically sandblast solid rock into dust. And this is just one planet, one star system, in a galaxy that contains an estimated 100 billion stars, many of which likely host planets of their own. The universe isn't just big. It's violent, strange, and far stranger than anything Hollywood has dreamed up. So next time someone tells you space is empty and boring, tell them about the planet where it rains glass sideways at 9,000 kilometers an hour. If this blew your mind, you need to see what scientists found on the planet orbiting 2 suns at once. Subscribe because the universe just keeps getting weirder from here.